Hi guys, today we're gonna have another basic unboxing video. We have this very nice white box from Anker. It's for one of the Anker 554 USB-C docking stations KVM switch. Okay, I got this used from Amazon. I'll do a quick unboxing. I've already got a KVM switch from Anker, but the one I actually have only supports one external monitor rather than two. So this particular model, series 5 series from my Anker 554, supports two 4K monitors at 60 Hz. So taking the wrap off, let's have a look what we have in there. Okay, finally. Okay. So that is the KVM. Oh, so many boxes, like, okay. Let's take this out of the way. So we'll get to KVM in a bit. Let's open this box. Okay, so we got a power cord. Okay. The adapter. And we got the quick start guide. We're not going to go through that. We don't need that. Power cord. The adapter, technical specs on the adapter. 20 volts at 9 amps or 180 watts. 20 volts DC, by the way. So we've got a barrel jack. I think that might be 5.5 mil, maybe barrel jack. So much for having a proprietary power supply. I don't know why they don't make it USB-C. So in here we have I suspect, the USB-C cables. Let's open this up. Yeah, very nice, very short USB cables. USB-C cables, quite thick to be fair. So yeah, I think these are about slightly over 3 feet, I would say. So nothing really special with that. And this is another USB-C cable. So you got two USB-C cables, and this is the KVM switch. Let's have a look. Okay, so you got like a screw mounting place for the KVM. I suppose if you wanna mount it for the back of the TV, or if you want to put it a bit more concealed place. So the front we have USB-C 5 gigabit per second, two USB-A's at 5 gigabit per second, and we also got another USB-A, I believe that's 480 megabits per second. You got your switch button, audio jack, and at the back you got your DC in, PC1, PC2, and then you got your displays. So these are the external displays, and this is goes directly to your systems, either PC1 or PC2, the one you want to swap in between. Let me check. The older KVM switch is magnetic. Is this magnetic? You know, the back plate of the. Yeah, that's magnetic also. Texture feels okay. Nothing really too exciting. A bit shiny for my taste. Don't know if you can see. So what we know is we've got some power delivery. 20 watts power delivery, 7.5. Through here, the total power delivery for the system, I think it was 100 watts. Now, I'm not entirely sure. This might be able to deliver slightly more. Actually, what we can do, I can give it a quick test. Let's have a look now. Just a quick test. See how much power delivery we're actually getting. Give me 1 watt, 5 watts, 27 watts, 27, almost 28 watts. So it's slightly more than what they've obviously said you'll get. Okay, so what about the back ports for the systems? I think this is more interesting to a lot of you. Let's see what we're gonna get. I'm not actually getting any power. Why am I not getting any power? No power. Okay. This is a bit disappointing. I'm not going to go further into this, but let's see if I can get a USB-A to USB-C. Okay, I've got one here. Just to confirm the power output on the... But it is a bit disappointing. So no power delivery from the back. Only the front ports do power delivery, which is no ideal. So the front USB-C, USB-A is about 6.4 watts. So slightly less than advertised. Normally they advertise for 7.5. Obviously this is not really that accurate, I would suspect, but 6.5 watts, so 1 watt less. And the USB-C, the USB-C port is about 20. I'll give it a go again. It's about 28. It's about 28 watts. Okay, so a bit more. I don't know if it goes down once you get more peripherals connected to the system, but a bit disappointing, really. And this is my summary: that the ports that you connect to your systems, laptops more particularly, they won't charge your laptop. So much for this massive brick. In general, I've got like a 1 monitor KVM switch. I prefer that because you don't really need this kind of you don't have a DC barrel that you need to feed in. It's maybe 4 or 5 times cheaper. So the summary is I'll be definitely returning this. I hate doing reviews on things that I'm going to plan to return. It's not something that I like doing, but the performance, I would have suspected or thought that 100 watts power delivery that it was advertised on the website, which is misadvertising. It refers to actually getting some power through these ports as well. I mean, so much for having a 180 watts power bank, you know. So yeah, so that's about it, guys. Sorry that it took so long. I hope you did like this video and enjoyed this kind of content. If you did enjoy it, if you did like it, please like and subscribe. But for now, take care and goodbye.